This is a short video, step-by-step guidance on how to use your acne stop kit for moderate breakouts. You will start from cleanser, then please remember to shake your toner, use toner, and after the toner, we want to use a derma roller. It will be a first night routine. Please remember to roll around the eyes. It will help to eliminate fine lines and wrinkles, and overall, roller will help to penetrate all active ingredients so much deeper and give you better result. So after the roller, we want to apply AHA Skin Perfecting Serum all over your face for 5 drops. Massage it also underneath the eyes and let it sit on your skin between 5 to 10 minutes. After that, take Silk Touch Acne Stop Treatment and apply a layer all over your skin on top of AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. And then you have also eye cream. So put a little bit eye cream underneath your eyes and on top of your eyes. Please go to sleep with that routine. Next night, your routine will be slightly different. So please do cleanser, toner, no roller, but instead you will be doing just vitamin A serum. You will also apply it underneath your eyes and all over your face and just leave it on your skin for 10 minutes. And then on top of vitamin A, you will apply your Silk Touch and you will go to sleep with that routine. And of course, eye cream will come underneath your eyes. Remember to reapply sunscreen because all these ingredients are very active. So we want to prevent our skin from getting redness or pigmentation. And if you have any questions, please remember that we are available every day from 8 in the morning till 8 p.m. Pacific time zone, and we are here for you. We'll be so happy to answer any questions or to provide you with a complimentary consultation. Thank you so much.